yellow, sky blue color, orange color, blue color, black color, gray color, green color, pink color, green color, red color, purple color, yellow color and brown color. Okay, let's draw the numbers and missing numbers. Okay, sky blue color 1, 1, brown color 2, black color 3, red color 4, blue color 5, gray color 6, green color 7, light green color 8, yellow color 9, purple color 10, pink color 11, orange color 12, red color 13, blue color 14, gray color 15, green color 16, black color 17, sky blue color 18, brown color 19, pink color 20, yellow color 21, light green color 22, purple color 23, gray color 24, yellow color 25, red color 26, green color 27, pink color 28. Okay, let's learn the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, bye kids.